Okay, turn on this computer. Okay. Okay, you can able to see this error message now. CMOS reset. That pin. This is a error I try to show it to you guys. So this is a error called hard disk 3F0, and there's a boot drive is not found. Please install the operating system your hard disk, like that. So once you get like this error message, I thought it's a hard disk problem. So it's not a hard disk damage or any other problem. So it's like this is a problem caused by CMOS battery. So you need to replace a CMOS battery, for example. So I'm going to attach my another keyboard. I'm going to press F10. Yeah, lower that. So you can able to see it over here, date. So in this computer, I just press F10. It's automatically show to save and close windows. Otherwise, you have to press F2, some diagnosis, F1 or F11 or F12. Between those four keys, so all the function keys over here, I don't think so I can able to do like that. So all the function key over here, you have to press like that. And here you can able to see the date. It's automatically changed. For that, I'm going to change the date. Let me today what's it? 27 8 sorry, enter 27 and 22. Leave the time is not a problem. So date you have to change it. And first before I change the other settings, I just need to double check it. F10 plus. Okay, that's not. You have to press F10. Okay, yeah, F10. You will get this message. I said, oh yes. It's still getting same problem, no? So to get this clear picture. Yeah. I'm still getting the same problem, so I just press any not yeah. F2, F9 is not working. Let me try F12. F11, I said F1. Escape also not working. F3, F4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also not working. F10 I just pressed. In this computer F10 is working. Otherwise, if you when the computer start, you have to press escape. Otherwise F12, F11, F1, F2. So within those four keys. Now the date is okay. Now I'm going to change it. Boot device. Everything okay. Enter. From here I need to get the legacy boot order enabled and secure boot legacy boot is disabled. I had to 0. Customization. Okay, CD-ROM enable. Okay, network adapter not a problem. Disable. I'm going to enable this one. You can able to see over here. Is now I enable the legacy boot. So okay, yeah, over here you can able to see the legacy boot. I already enabled it here. Now I'm going to press over here. From here is a notebook hard drive, so all the way top now. That's good thing. If it's not all the way top, you can able to see over here F5 F6 using to you can able to change it. F5 F6 you can able to change it. Otherwise change I have to get it back now. Up notebook hard disk all the way up here. Why it is not showing here? Yeah, 6. Look, notebook hard disk all the way top. Now I have to press F10 again. So show asking save and exit. So asking to enter 9. You have to use this keyboard. Unfortunately, internet keyboard not working. 9 4 3. Press enter to start. That's working. It's all caused by the problem CMOS battery. CMOS battery is not recharged properly. That's why it's getting problem. So hard drive not found like that. It's one of the problem. So otherwise always come to this error message because of hard drive failure, hard drive connected failure. There's a small gap, the ribbon, not a ribbon, wires there. So otherwise no. Okay. Okay, already remove. Okay, it's working now. Okay, I already removed the battery over here. Already remove the battery, everything. So I'm going to remove this power cord over here. Okay. Without battery, if the CMOS battery is recharged or not, I have to check it now. Without that battery, already removed. So now they don't have any backup inside it. I just work with a few minutes. So I need to check it is worked or not. So I didn't press any long press or anything. This power, if I press more than 10 seconds, automatically reset. I didn't do anything. I just keep it for a few minutes, and after that I'm going to check it again. It's automatic reset or not. After I'm going to check it after 10 minutes. Otherwise we have to change the settings always. Now I just remove the battery now. Okay, after not a few minutes, more than a few minutes, let me turn it on again. Connect the charger. Connect it. Okay. Connect the charger, light on. Press the button. But it's taking too much time. Okay, it's okay. Check the CMOS in. Okay, it's coming like that now. Check the CMOS. And the CMOS will be reset default configuration. Okay, now able to see this problem. So why it's coming like that? Only after I just removing battery, I keep it at least 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes, it's getting same problem. For that, sorted out this problem. So I thought it's some other reason. So unfortunately, I find out like that. Anyhow, you have to get this what you call BIOS settings. So you have to 8 enter 27 today year 2022. So if you like to change the date and time, okay, 8 morning and 02. Okay, now midnight data finished, I think mine. Now I have to change it in here. Why I need to, or not a why I need to legacy boot need to disable USB hard disk boot order. Why I can get a boot order working even if the BIOS default, I don't know. So that's the answer. I don't have an answer for that. So even if the default also it had to be work now. So I don't know why it's not working. I don't have answer for it. So enable. Change this setting. Make system enable to boot the OS. Do you want to make it? Okay. And yes. Okay. Otherwise, let me use it to enable secure boot to enable to disable. So clear auto boot. No need to do anything. So just disabled. Okay. Legacy boot disabled. That's it. So that's easy way. Then after you have to check it over here. It's a legacy boot option and network boot loader. Notebook hard drive SSD up over way top. After that, whatever. And here is to be work perfectly. I don't know why. I have no clue. So if anyone know how to make it work, so let's inform us. Now I have to press F10. This will come like that. Okay. And now it's going to work perfectly. So I had to enter the security key. I just totally forgot. 6. Let me take over here. 6, 5, 4, 2. Enter. So whatever security key they need to type it out, this will automatically show it here for randomly number. So you have to type it out and press enter. It's good. After that, it's going to be load the boot the system. Not about the system, load the system. And for that, you have to do certain things. Okay, it's working. So I'll try after connecting battery already dry totally. I'm going to try this same method. So I just connect a few minutes with a battery on. Outside I'm going to remove this cable power cord, and I need to check it. Still they are asking they had to, hard disk not found, error message coming or not. Okay, after a few minutes I just let me turn off this one. Okay, at least 15 minutes. So I just need to remove the power cord. I remove the power cord. How many seconds? Power left. 18% power already saved. Over here is 18%. You can able to see. I already removed the power cord also. Now I'm going to normally shut down. shut down. So before I turn it on, I already settings everything. So that's how already turn it on now. I have to shut down. Let me take a time. So it's the really problem when I say let me take a time, that means in my time, okay, it will take a time. So I already made a mistake one time in interview. So please put on the fan like that. So in our time I just local communication. So that means please turn on the fan switch like that. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. I will wait for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. After that I'll wait for 10 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay, it's automatically works. So I think I'll wait at least 12 hours something. So not 12 hours, it's a long time. So let me check time now. So time over here, I think let me check today. 8:26 now. 8:26. I'm going to use it for at least another 28 minutes. After that, the battery automatically dry out now. After battery, not after dry out. So let me say 1%. At the time, I'm going to turn it off this computer, this laptop. After that, wait for at least 1 or 5 few hours too. After that, I'm going to turn it on. Let me see. Let us see. So it's the same error message coming on. After it's the same error message coming, that means BIOS battery down. So there's a few reasons to come that F30F like that error message. One of the reason because the hard disk not found, hard disk damage, cable damage, ribbon damage like that. So in this laptop, because of the BIOS settings always resetting. Okay, after if it's come to 1%, I'm going to turn off the computer. After that, 70%, 1%, I'm going to turn off the computer, laptop. After and then I'm going to wait it a few more hours. Then I'm going to turn it on. In case if it works, let's see. What we call, it's the same error message coming on. Okay, battery low. Let me check it, how many percentage left there. Okay, 10%. After 1%, I'm going to turn it off. Then I keep it few hours like that, like before I say it. Then I'm going to turn it on. It's like same problem. That means BIOS battery not recharging properly. Okay, now it's the time. Let me check it over here. Where is the mouse cursor? Okay, look at that. Midnight, not a midnight. Before midnight, it's 11:52. You can able to see from here. Now I'm going to turn it on this computer. So far what I've done. So if it's a video continues, so I'm going to make it one video. So for me, I had to explain it now. And already it's a 1% battery charge over here. So I'm going to press this one here. Where is I think most of the time it's not going to on. You can able to see if I press one time, it's a blink. Yes, that means no battery. There less than 1%, maybe 1% battery charge over here. So it's not going to on. So problem is that the hard disk not found error message coming. So far we find out the why is problem coming to this computer, this laptop, because of CMOS battery not recharging properly. So I'm going to connect this one over here. Now as you can able to see it here. Okay, connected. Now I'm going to turn it on. If it's after I turn it on, then getting same problem. That means if it's a battery 1% also, what do you call CMOS not giving backup to CMOS battery to power like that. So for me, I don't have any proper knowledge for that one. So if it's working, yeah, just 1%, no, I didn't remove the battery also. If I press it, okay, and it's going to be working, that means you have to at least charge it. You don't need to turn on the computer if you keep a long time. If you are going to keep the laptop for without turning on, at least you need to charge. You just connect the charger every once in a while. Not once in a while mean every 2 days, like a 4 hour, 2 hour, like that. You have to connect it constantly. Otherwise, it's going to drain your battery, that main battery, and that will affect to your CMOS battery. Let's see if it's a scenario is vector. Okay, I'm going to press. Now it's work now. That means I already disabled the legacy boot. I think legacy boot or something. I forgot. I already forgot. Sorry for that one. It's too long. Not too long. It's I forgot that. Okay, I'm going to restart it. I'm going to check it out. What that okay. Okay, now it's successfully restarted. That means if I remove battery and I just reset the BIOS or anything without power, at least less than, let me check it out how many percentage battery over there. You can see it, 10%. Oh my god, it's a 10%. So once you reach the 10% battery charge, it's automatically turn off your computer. Let me remove this power cable. Okay, 1%. So 10%. So I tried. Can you connect it? Yeah, that's it. So even say 10% of computer not on, I can't able to turn it on. So once I just remove the, after turn on the computer, I just remove the power cable. It's still working. I don't know how long it's going to work. Now I'm going to connect it. Okay, 21 minutes. Okay, it's working. Okay, that's it. That's a problem, no? So again, I'm going to turn off the computer. Windows 10. Let me see. Turn off the shutdown. I'm going to remove that from here. Okay. Still, and turn off. You can see the light over here. I don't know how long it's going to take it. Okay, give me a few more seconds. I don't have time for this. I don't know how long it's going to take. Let me press few buttons. Okay, it's going to be hard. Long press few more seconds. Again long press few more seconds, at least 10 seconds. I check it out is working or not. So I'm going to connect it. Okay, I connect the power cord. Okay, it's working. So I need to remove the battery. No, and yeah, anyhow, that's a conclusion. Now it's working. So only problem for this computer laptop is a CMOS battery problem. No? So they need to change CMOS battery. It's a good one. Then it's good to go. I'm going to make it one more video. For this one turned on after I'm going to shut down. And after I shut down this computer, I'm going to remove the battery and try to turn it on direct power. Let's see how it's going to be turned on. Okay, I'm going to shut down this computer again. Sorry for it. I have light system by Sabran. Sabran is not my light system, Sabran light system. I'm going to use it. I long time I just keep using. So I like this light. I think he don't need that light. I'm not going to give it to him. Okay, battery low, so I'm going to turn off this computer and I'm going to remove the battery, and after that I'm going to, without long press or anything, I just so without long press resetting, by press after removing the main power battery, if I press 10 more seconds, automatically reset the CMOS settings, so default come to default. So I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to, I don't know, in strange reason it's not shut down. Okay, I'm going to remove. Okay, so I will remove that. Now let me check it. Just without giving few more minutes, I just suddenly after I remove the battery, I'm going to turn it on. It still support the I don't know how long is the CMOS battery holding on now. CMOS batteries. Okay, CMOS automatically reset. Look at that. You can able to see that message. So let me turn off this light. So at least this battery need at least connected. Otherwise CMOS battery not properly working. I think it's going to be proper. Look at the same problem. For that again I had to press for the Saturn copy laptop is a Saturn setting. So for me I just need a F10, press F10. Oh, okay, keyboard not working. I have to connect it over from USB cable. F10. Why is not working? Okay, turn it on. Yes, is working now. It's a light on now. I think F10 in this laptop. I have to press F10. Now I'm going to change the date and time. I don't think it's going to be important for this scenario. So okay, legacy support disable, and I had to enable it. And notebook, I had to double check it. Notebook hard disk is all the way top, and F10 again. Press yes. If I make it 100 more videos, our hometown people never going to watch it. Is another plus point, maybe it's like a minus point. So you have to type it out, the security key after disabling that one. 8151. Each time you disable it, it's going to be change code. No? Change security code. So it's a random number. You have to type it out. Now look at that, it's working. So that's it. Guys, if the same problem, that hard drive error message, hard disk not want to come in. So there's a few reasons. One is your CMOS battery need to recharge and not working properly. You have to remove that one. Otherwise, hard drive getting fault. Bed sector, there's no communication not running properly, and there's some hard drive to the circuit board. There's a small cable, no. So that one damaged, maybe because of that is coming problem. For in case of this laptop problem, it's a CMOS that battery problem. For unfortunately, there's some issue for this laptop. A long time they asked me to complain, but I am me also. In my knowledge, I can't able to sort it out this problem. Look at that. I'm going to turn on this light. So let me turn. After shutdowning this computer, now I remove the battery. No, I already remove that main battery power supply. So now it's a direct current. Normal current is connected. So now I'm going to shut down this computer. If it's a shutdown successfully work, then I'm going to recommend to remove your battery and shut down. It's going to work like that. So let me check it out. Now I'm going to come here. Yes. Okay, shut down. Shut down. Let me see, it's automatically shut down or some like before you can able to see it now. It's not shut down properly, so if you always light on, so I don't know how long it's take to shut down. Look at that, you can if I turn off this light, you can able to see that light. Right. It's not shut down like a, I don't know. Let me turn. Okay, just close it out and okay, if I close it, it's automatically shut off. Okay, thank you guys. So that's a problem. It's a mystery to me. I don't know how to sort it out, that problem. So it's HP laptop. I don't know more details, so you can able to see here. This is the detail. So anyone know, please let me know, so in comment. Thank you guys. Peace out.